What's up, y'all? Y'all been wondering, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? Alright. Y'all been wondering, what the fuck? This guy showing a dirt bike. He says he's gonna fix it. It's been a couple months, a couple weeks, whatever. So, I just ordered the tools. They just came in. Yes, the tools just came in. Today, matter of fact. So, I think I'm still waiting on the tool to pull the stator. I think I'm waiting for that. But I got we're gonna have to rebuild the whole bottom end. We're gonna have to do the bottom end and the kit, whatever came in the kit that I showed in the last video. We're gonna redo the bottom end. We're gonna do that. Everything else, we're gonna go slowly. Of course, you know, money is an issue. We're gonna go slowly. We're gonna go about it like that. But we're gonna do the bottom end. We're gonna do the bottom end. Came with a new piston, so we're gonna redo the top end. Got the new carburetor on it. Gotta order a clutch. What was it? Yeah, clutch cable. I gotta order a clutch cable. Gotta order a clutch cable. I think I gotta get new brake. I get a new brake cable because this one looks like it's stretched out. Whatever the case may be. We won't come to that, but because we had to rebuild everything, I did order assembly lube. So you guys let me know if this is a good brand or what. If this is what I should be using. Do I not need it? Do I, whatever. Then this is what else I ordered. We're gonna open it together. It's not an unboxing, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if how I'm feeling. Depending on how I feel today, I might pull the motor off. Get at it today. This is my first time doing a dirt bike engine. Period. First time ever. I've never rebuilt a dirt bike engine. Never took one apart. None of that. So this should be the case splitter. Yeah. With the bolts. Take it out the pack. Take it out with the bolts. I guess you put them through the flange and put it into the side of the cage to separate it. Or grip it, I don't know. And then the actual case splitter. So, like I said, my first time ever doing this. My first time ever doing something like this, so. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. So, hopefully everything goes good. Hopefully I'm gonna send it out to do. Hopefully I'm gonna send it out, send the motor, take the motor to somebody, whatever. Hopefully I can get it done, get it right in the first shot. What y'all don't know is I do have a RMX 250. I just took the cylinder head to get re-sleeved. I think it's a 98. Excuse me. It's a 98 RMX 250, and I think that one the original sleeve is coated. I'm not sure. I couldn't read. It's like Nikolai plated. Couldn't look it up, so I just got a steel sleeve. That was at the machine shop. Dropped it off a couple days ago. Didn't get that on video, but waiting on them to respond, to reply back to me so I can come pick it up, and I will video. I probably will video picking it up because I probably forget. I'm new to all this video stuff, so I'll probably get the tripod, set it up at the storage, put it on, see if it holds compression or whatever. You guys let me know. I got the sleeve, got the piston, and that should be rings, all that. Uh, Record putting it together, how that go, and then you guys let me know what else I need to do. Hopefully that's all I need to do. It work and it works, and then we start riding. You know what I'm saying? I got this one for my kids, teach my kids on it, and got some other stuff, some other projects. Hopefully we can, go through this journey together and take off. But y'all, that's it. That's it of this video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. You guys help me to make the best content for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I like doing this type of stuff. I like working my hands. But y'all gotta let me know. This is new territory for me. Dirt bikes, motorcycles, four wheelers, all that. It's new territory for me. I do cars. You feel me? I do cars, and that's it. But I'm trying to venture out, learn some new stuff because I'm trying to have these toys for my kids. I never had this stuff growing up, so I'm trying to provide it for my kids. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, watch. Just watch the video, like it. If you feel like subscribing, subscribe. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what. I want to change the name of the channel to something more appealing and start getting logos and stuff like that. But I guess as time progresses, like I said, we out.